The Mercedes-Benz W142, a masterpiece of pre-war innovation and luxury. Welcome to Luxury.com, your destination for exploring the finest automobiles in history. Today, we're diving into a car that represented the peak of innovation, luxury, and sophistication in the late 1930s. This is the Mercedes-Benz W142, a model that stood at the crossroads of engineering brilliance and timeless design. So buckle up as we take an in-depth journey through this remarkable piece of automotive history. Historical context: the birth of the W142. The Mercedes-Benz W142 was introduced in 1937 as part of the Mercedes-Benz 320 series. It was designed to replace the W18, offering more power, advanced engineering, and enhanced luxury. The late 1930s was a time of rapid advancements in the automotive industry, and Mercedes-Benz aimed to solidify its position as the premier luxury automaker. The W142 was a testament to this ambition, blending cutting-edge technology with the brand's signature elegance. Let's take a closer look at what made the W142 a standout in its time. Exterior design, timeless sophistication. The Mercedes-Benz W142 is a perfect example of pre-war automotive styling. Its long, sweeping lines, gracefully arched fenders, and imposing grille create an aura of sophistication. Available in various body styles, including sedans, cabriolets, and tours, the W142 catered to diverse tastes and preferences. Each body style was crafted with precision, reflecting the highest standards of design and craftsmanship. The chrome detailing, large circular headlamps, and the signature Mercedes-Benz star on the grille gave the car a commanding presence, making it a symbol of status and prestige. Powertrain engineering prowess. Under the hood, the W142 was powered by a range of engine options, the most notable being a 3.2-liter inline-six engine that produced 78 horsepower. For those seeking more performance, a 3.4-liter inline-six engine with 90 horsepower was available. These engines were paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, and some versions even featured an optional overdrive system. The W142 could reach a top speed of around 130 kilometers per hour, 81 miles per hour. Impressive for a luxury car of its era. The W142 was designed for both power and refinement, ensuring a smooth and capable performance on a variety of roads. Interior, luxury redefined. The interior of the W142 is where luxury truly comes to life. Step inside, and you're greeted by an environment crafted with the finest materials of its time. The seats were upholstered in premium leather, offering both comfort and durability. The dashboard was a blend of functionality and elegance, featuring beautifully designed gauges and switches set against wood and chrome accents. The steering wheel, gearshift knob, and other touchpoints reflected meticulous craftsmanship, while the spacious cabin ensured that both driver and passengers traveled in comfort. The W142 was particularly popular among affluent families and dignitaries, thanks to its generous interior space and luxurious appointments. Body styles and variants, a car for every occasion. The W142 was offered in a variety of body styles to suit different needs and preferences. From the practical and elegant sedan to the open-top cabriolet and the spacious tourer, Mercedes-Benz ensured there was a model for every occasion. These body styles were meticulously designed and built by Mercedes-Benz in-house coach-building team at Sindelfingen, known for their attention to detail and quality craftsmanship. Cultural impact, a symbol of prestige. The W142 was more than just a car, it was a status symbol. Owned by the wealthy and influential, it was often seen at high-profile events and in the driveways of grand estates. Its combination of luxury, performance, and reliability made it a favorite among Europe's elite, further cementing Mercedes-Benz's reputation as the leading luxury automaker of the time. Even today, the W142 is celebrated as a collector's dream, with its historical significance and timeless design making it a sought-after piece of automotive history. Legacy and modern-day significance. The Mercedes-Benz W142 represents a pivotal moment in the brand's history. It showcased the company's ability to innovate while maintaining its commitment to luxury and craftsmanship. Today, the W142 is a testament to the engineering and design brilliance of the pre-war era. Restored examples are highly prized by collectors, often fetching significant sums at auctions due to their rarity and historical importance. And that wraps up our journey into the world of the Mercedes-Benz W142, a car that defined an era of luxury and innovation. What do you think of this automotive classic? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Luxury.com for more stories of iconic cars. Until next time, drive safe and stay inspired.